My name is Ipshita and today we would be discussing about careers as a data entry operator. Data entry operator takes written information from forms, applications or company files and enter the information into computer system databases or applications for business use. Some positions deal mostly with typing such as word processing or computerized customer files. People in these jobs handle letter, documents and mailing list. Other positions feature heavy emphasis on numerical data entry such as accounting, banking or mortgage or loan information. Data entry operators work in marketing, accounting, human resources or healthcare and work many hours are spent seated at a computer. Now what is data entry and how to do it? A data entry clerk is a member of staff employed to enter or update data into a computer system. Data are often entered into a computer form from papers using a keyboard, optical scanner or data recorder. Now what are the career requirements? You should have a high school degree, diploma or equivalent with 1 to 5 years of related clerical or data entry experience. The skills that are required are reading comprehension, verbal and written communication, critical thinking and active listening skills, basic knowledge of Microsoft Office, fast accurate keyboard and 10 key by touch skills, knowledge of clerical and administrative techniques, business principles and customer service principles, good near vision acuity and finger dexterity. Now steps to become a data entry operator. Step 1. Gain data entry skills, employ train data entry operators, but good typing and numeric key entry skills are common prerequisite. Knowledge of database software, spreadsheets and word processing is helpful. Good spelling, grammar and punctuation skills are necessary as well as strong reading comprehension. Data entry operators must be familiar with basic office equipment like computers, scanners, copiers and calculators. Now success tips: obtain a data entry certificate. Many community colleges also offer one of the 2-semester certificate programs in basic office skills or clerical data entry, preparing applicants for entry-level data entry positions. This certificate makes a high school graduate more competitive in this career field. Practice data entry skills. Data entry operators must be fast and accurate. You should practice the new data entry skills to increase your speed and reduce errors. Some employers require applicants to pass a keyboard speed and accuracy test before hiring. Step 2. Gain experience related entry-level positions such as a word processor or typist can help you gain the experience required by most employers. In this position, you will learn how to check the spelling and punctuation, organize page reports and sort data. Step 3. Gain employment for advancement. High schools and colleges as well as online job boards have local listings. Careful attention should be paid to the requirements of each job listing. Some jobs require typing skills of a certain amount of words per minute and some positions require aptitude with specific software. Now job opportunities and pay package. Datamatics Global, Pentagon Systems and Services, Source of India and almost every BPO is offering you part-time as well as full-time jobs. The average salary for a data entry operator is 1,23,000 per year. A skill in Microsoft Excel is associated with this high pay for the job. Most people with this job move on to other positions after 10 years in this field. Pay for this job rises steadily with more experienced workers but goes noticeably down for the few employees with more than 20 years of experience.